Padmasana, Lotus position. Start in Dandasana, and it's very important to ground well with the hip, and from here bend one leg, bring the heel close to the psoas muscle, bend the other leg, also bring the heel close to the hip bone, and try to squeeze a little bit the knees. It's very important that you always rotate from your hips without strain in the knee joint. And now I will show you a modification how you can start practicing it. You should practice the full version if you already are good with the half Padmasana. So a few times you can swing to the left and the right, and bring one leg to half lotus position, and from here bend the other leg and place the knee to the outer edge of your feet. And you can stay here for weeks, for months, practicing every day 1-2 minutes, and slowly you will find that your legs will get more elasticity, and after slowly, without effort, you can slip the other leg to a complete lotus position as well. From here you can do rotations. Stretch your spine and slowly rotate from the lower spine up, and with the other hand you can reach your big toe. Stay here a few minutes, and after come back, and now bring your navel to one of the knees and slowly bend forward. Do it on both sides. And after you can also come back to the middle and bend forward from the middle. And eventually, when it was enough, you can do yoga mudra. You can grab one hand the big toe, and after the big toe with the other hand, and try to come up and remain stable in the position. For the next variation, you can try to come up on your knees, and you can try to balance yourself. I'm practicing this version for a few years, but my balance is still not perfect. And after, slowly you can walk forward with the hands, and you can start pressing the hips to the mat. It's a very good stretch for the whole hip area. And eventually you can do the peacock in lotus position. Don't forget to do the postures on both sides.